வெல்கம் டு ஜிஎம்பிஎஸ் யூஜிபிசி ஃபிசிக்கலைசேஷன் கோச்சிங் சென்டர் கொஸ்டின் பேங்க். நாங்கள் நிறைய யூஜிடிஆர்பிக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாகவும் பிஜிடிஆர்பி யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாகவும் கொஸ்டின் உங்களுக்கு அப்டேட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். எல்லாமே கண்டிப்பாக உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். அது ஒன் பை ஒன்னாக நல்லா அகைன் உங்களுக்கு எப்போல்லாம் டைம் கிடைக்கும் அந்த வீடியோ போட்டு பாருங்கள். இந்த வீடியோவில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பிஜிடிஆர்பி ஃபிசிக்கலைசேஷன் 2013-14 ஓல்டு கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர் எக்ஸ்ப்ளனேஷன் கொடுத்துருக்கோம். இது 4 ஆப்ஷனுக்கும் நாங்கள் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் கொடுப்போம். இது நல்லா 4 ஆப்ஷனையும் ரைட் டவுன் பண்ணி வச்சு படிங்க. கண்டிப்பாக உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். வீடியோ கடைசி வரைக்கும் பாருங்கள். எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு
Which one of the following statement is not related to the definition of psychology? Psychology is a study of mind, psychology is study of behavior, psychology is study of soul, psychology is study of heredity and environment. Option D is the correct answer. Psychology is the study of heredity and environment is not related to psychology. Tactile sense related to dash: hearing, taste, smell, touch. Hearing, the auditory sense; taste, gustation sense; smell, olfaction sense; touch is the answer. Answer D. Option D is the correct answer. Touch is a tactile sense. Anxiety means a positive emotional state, a negative emotional state, arousal state, all the above. Here arousal state means a physiological activation. A positive emotional state not related to anxiety. A negative emotional state is related to anxiety. Option B is the correct answer. Awareness of position and movements of the body is dash: balance, kinesthesis, coordination, tactile. Tactile already discuss பண்ணியாச்சு. Balance is state of equilibrium. Coordination is ability to combine several movements. Option B, kinesthesis, is the correct answer. Awareness of the position of movements of the body. How many feathers fixed in the base of the badminton cork? 14, 16, 15, 18. How many feathers fixed in the base of the badminton cork? Option B, 16 is a correct answer. Sports training are the basic form of an athlete's training. It is a preparation systematically organized with the help of exercises, which in fact is a pedagogically organized process of controlling and an athlete's development by Hardyal Singh, Martin, Harry, Matthew V. Option C is the correct answer. Matthew V. The structured way of solving problems is called the structured way of solving problem. Here study, declaration, analysis, research. The dash is a major suppliers of calcium, protein, fat and vitamins. Meat group, milk group, green vegetable group, bread group. Here bread group is the base of the food pyramid. The meat and milk group is related to this question. The milk group is a correct answer. Option B is a correct answer. The upper surface of the table tennis table shall be dash. The upper surface of the table tennis table shall be dash. The option C, 2.74 meter long and 1.525 meter wide is the correct answer. The size of the tennis court for the doubles match is dash. இங்கே ஃபீட்டில் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இது ஆல்ரெடி நீங்கள் மீட்டரில் கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணி படிச்சுக்கணும். ஆப்ஷன் சி, 78 feet into 36 feet is a correct answer. The degree of truthfulness of the test score: objectivity, reliability, validity, relevance. Here reliability means a consistency of result repeated same tester. Objectivity means a consistency of result different tester. Degree of truthfulness, option C, validity is the correct answer. Through games and physical activities dash takes place. Through games and sports, games and physical activities dash takes place. Option B, socialization is a correct answer. Data of this type consists of measurement scores or the normally distributed. Grouped data na இங்கே group data na என்னன்னா more than 30 is a grouped data, less than 30 is ungrouped data. Non-parametric non-normally distributed. Parametric is a correct answer, is normally distributed. There's an art of competing. Here technique, tactics, talent, training. Technique means tackling a motor task. Talent means individual ability. Training means process of preparation. Tactics is the correct answer. Tactics is an art of competing. Official required to conduct the handball match. Officials required to conduct the handball match. Option C, 2 referees, 1 scorekeeper and 1 timekeeper is the correct answer. The subject of statistics comprises of collection of data, dash of data, analysis of data, interpretation of data. Option A, counting, presentation, convention, distinguish. Option B, presentation is a correct answer. Statistics is a collection of data, presentation of data, analysis of data, interpretation of data. Savasana, relax. Savasana, relax. Sava means corpse. Asana means posture. Option D is a correct answer. The whole psychophysiological system. Statistical methods enable us to draw dash from the data about the behavior of variable under study. Prediction, hypothesis, inferences, relationship. Here, option C, inferences is a correct answer. Inferences means conclusion formed based on evidence. The width of the javelin throw sector arc is dash 4 cm, 5 cm, 6 cm, 7 cm. The width of the javelin throw sector arc. Option D is a correct answer. 7 cm. The hammer throw cage should be dash shaped. U shape, triangle shape, circle shape, square shape. Hammer throw cage. Option A is a correct answer. U shape. The intra-class correlation was used to measure the reliability test evaluation measurement. Already we discussed reliability. Intra-class correlation. A is a correct answer. Reliability. Ability to engage in activity for a long time without undue fatigue is related to what physical fitness component? Speed, strength, flexibility, endurance. Ability to engage activity long time without undue fatigue. Option D is a correct answer. Endurance. The definition of health is defined by dash. Health is state in which the individual is able to mobilize all his resources, intellectual, emotional and physical, for optimum daily living. Optimum daily living. Option A is a correct answer. Encyclopedia of Health. Dash is especially concerned with the assessment and care of physically handicapped students, of blind and partially blind, deaf, mentally abnormal, maladjusted, delicate children. Option D is a correct answer. School health service. The evidence of truthfulness based on logical decision making and interpretation is criterion validity, predictive validity, content validity, concurrent validity. Option C, content validity is a correct answer. The formula for computing Z-score is Z score. Z score is a standard score. Option A, Z is equal to x minus m by standard deviation. Goals in football categorized as ranked variables, discontinuous variable, continuous variable, nominal variable. Option B, discontinuous variable is the correct answer. A particular act take to be completed after it has initiated. What it is associated with? Movement time, reflex time, response time, activity time. Option A is the correct answer. Movement time. Circuit training method is followed based on the findings of circuit training. Option D, Morgan and Adams is a correct answer. In weight training, FIT principles stand for dash: frequency, interval, time type, frequency, intensity, time type, frequency, intensity and time type, frequency, initiation, time type. Option B is a correct answer. Frequency, intensity, time and type.
எல்லா கொஸ்டினும் கண்டிப்பாக உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். இதையும் பேஸ் பண்ணி நீங்கள் கொஸ்டினை க்ரியேட் பண்ணி படிச்சிங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு கண்டிப்பாக யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். நாங்களும் எங்கள் சேனலில் அப்டேட் பண்ணிகிட்டே இருக்கோம். இந்த ரிலேட்டடாக தான் உங்களுக்கு அடுத்த பிஜிடிஆர்பிலையும் கொஞ்சம் கொஸ்டின் கேட்பாங்க. இந்த மாதிரி ஆன்சைட்டி, சைக்காலஜி ரிலேட்டடாக எல்லா டாப்பிக்கும் நீங்கள் தரவாக அந்த டாபிக் வைஸாக படிச்சிங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு கண்டிப்பாக யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். எங்கள் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கு அனுப்புங்க, கான்டாக்ட் நம்பர் கொடுத்துருங்க. எங்கள் அகாடமியில் ஜாயின் பண்ணிச்சிங்கன்னா ஜாயின் பண்ணுங்க கண்டிப்பாக. ஓகே ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், தேங்க்யூ எவ்ரி ஒன். ஒன்ஸ் அகெயின் தேங்க்யூ.